Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
You're lucky you got that kid with you, buddy. You up so bad right now?
What the f is that? Turn left, go in this park. This park. Yeah. Oh my god, bro.
That guy is going the wrong way down the road.
Hey, you want to submit your video to Dashcam?
Yeah.
I've seen plenty of
Jesus is coming back soon.
No, stop. No, listen. I don't give a I am trying to get my daughter to school. Goddammit, that's the road that I get on.
In 600 feet, continue straight onto Rosaryville Road. Continue straight onto Rosaryville Road.
All right.
Manual recording will now start.
It wasn't built with iPhone in mind.
Oh. I don't think that should matter.
Go.
Oh my god.
I don't think he was in the turn lane.
I don't think he was either.
Whoa, stop. Whoa, go slowly through.
Oh my
Go
god.
slow.
Oh my god. That guy was crazy.
I know.
Oh, Jesus.
Did you? No, I don't think so.
Nope.
You okay?
You good? Did we make contact?
No.
Okay.
I'm good.
Okay.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.